Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to launch and navigate the conferencing and residential application using Kinetic Solutions. You will hear me refer to Kinetic Solutions simply as Kinetic throughout the rest of the tutorial. To locate Kinetic, click on the Windows Start button. Then All Programs, followed by the RHS folder. If you cannot locate the RHS folder, it is possible that you have not submitted an Access Request Form, or ARF. If this is the case, submit an ARF to Information Services. They will coordinate your access to Kinetic. Once you have access, you should see a list of programs, including KX Live and KX Training. These are the two programs that will be most pertinent to you when using Kinetic. KX Training is the program you should choose when you are practicing Kinetic skills. Any mistakes you make will not affect the operation of the live program. I strongly recommend spending approximately 20 minutes a day on KX Training until you feel comfortable with the system. Doing this will make it easier to remember and understand the different operations of Kinetic. KX Live will open the launcher used for actual conferences, booked through Destination State. You will use this program when you need to make real updates, notes, or changes to an existing conference. The changes you make on KX Live will have an impact, so be careful that your updates are intentional. For this video, we will utilize KX Training. After selecting KX Training, a launcher screen will open. If this is your first time opening Kinetic, you will need to wait until the program finishes its setup on your computer. Once your launcher opens, you will see a list of applications that you have access to. Please select the Conferencing application. This is the Conferencing application home screen. The first thing you should do when opening a new program is get to know your surroundings. So, now that the Conferencing application is open, let's begin our tour. The bottom bar of the application will indicate important login information. It will indicate whether you have opened KX Training or KX Live. Since we chose KX Training, that is what you should see. The bottom bar will also indicate who is logged in. Because the launcher is connected with your specific account, you should see your name. Let's bring our attention to the top of the application. You will see a series of tabs. It is helpful to think of your home screen as a web browser. Each of these tabs represent pages where different tasks and operations can be accomplished. The General tab will allow you to find a booking or begin a new inquiry. You can learn more about these in the other video tutorials. The Financial tab will allow you to observe financial details regarding current bookings. The Reports tab will allow you to pull general reports related to anything from catering to room spaces. The Options tab will allow you to create a favorites list or change your password. Finally, above the tabs, you will see a series of icons. These icons are quick links to functions that can be located inside the tabs. The quick links allow you to close the program, create a new inquiry, search for a specific booking, observe the current events running, or view a list of recently opened events. You can also select your favorites from these quick links. Now that I have shown you how to navigate the conference application, let's take a look at the residential app. To do this, you will need to go back to the launcher. This time, choose the residential app. Just like in conferencing, the bottom bar of the application will indicate important login information. It will indicate whether you have opened KX Training or KX Live. Since we chose KX Training, that is what you should see. The bottom bar will also indicate who is logged in. Because the launcher is connected with your specific account, you should see your name. Let's review the tabs available in Residential. We have Reservations, where you can find a reservation or create a reservation. Manage Stay, where you can check in guests or check out guests. Financial, where various financial-related reports are found. Housekeeping, where you can find out-of-service bedrooms or put bedrooms out of service. End of Day, where you can run end-of-day reports, reports where you can download various reports such as fire reports, and finally options where you can change your login password or choose your favorites. Above your tabs are your quick links. With your quick links, you can exit, log out, observe the bedroom diary, create a reservation, check in guests, see your in-house list, check out guests, view a list of recently opened events, or see your favorites. Thank you for watching the video tutorial for launching and navigating the conferencing and residential applications in Kinetic. Be sure to watch our next video on how to search for bookings and reservations.